Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for the day. Hope everybody's doing okay. Let's dive right into the charts. All right, so since yesterday, price action did come back over that 94 level. We were looking at it when it had just come back over, and we're like, oh, what's going to happen? Well, it came back up. The bulls pushed it back up. There's enough buying pressure to push it all the way back up to the 200 here on the 90-minute chart, the 200 moving average. That's that purple line there. And since then, price action has come back down to the 21, bounced again, came up, came down, and it's currently holding around 96K, which is basically where we were yesterday. And it's basically, we're just still moving sideways within these patterns that we've been looking at. Bear flag's still here. We should probably draw a new bottom trend line for that bear flag there, like so. And yeah, so the red line there, that's that old trend line that failed. And have we gotten back over it? I mean, not yet, not technically. So we'll just leave that there for now. We want to see price action get up over that trend line there to show that the bulls actually have strength. If they can push it up and get, up to that 99.6, even break over that, that'd be great. That's what I want to see happen, but that's not necessarily what's going to happen here. So we are seeing the Stokes curling over. They are pointing to the downside along with the RSI here. Now the RSI is breaking under its signal line, but it is still in bullish territory. That's over the 50 there. So as long as it can stay over the 50 or just around that 50 while the stochastics come all the way down, finish their oscillation down into oversold territory, and then you see a curl back up, that'd be great. Let's take a look at the 22 to just kind of give us an idea of what the 90 is doing as well. With the 22, the Stokes do seem to be stalling here. They could find support here at the 50 and remain in bullish territory. That would be great. Then we would see the RSI here turn back up. But as it stands right now, might not be going that way. Let's look at the 5. All right, so on the 5, we are seeing oversold on the Stokes, and we are seeing bullish confluence between the RSI and the price action. So higher lows, higher lows. So if we can maintain that higher low there, and see the stochastics here turning and popping out of the oversold territory, and we see the price action here bouncing off that 200 moving average, that purple line here on the 5. Hey, we might be in play, but the 1 minute did break under that it's 200. It is turning around, so let's see if the RSI got real low there. Wow. That actually created like a pretty nice bullish div here on the 1 minute chart. And things do turn around from the 1 minute. It starts on the lower time scales and then moves up from there. Anyway, so there's this, I can't place it, but there it is right there. That's a bullish div. Higher lows here, lower lows here. Bullish div on the 1. So if the 1 can turn around, the 5 can bounce off its 200 and should continue that confluence there. That would be great. Delete that. That would be great. That would be something we want to see. Then the 22 minute would continue its move upwards along with the 90 minute. The 90 minute Stokes could get stuck up here if the 22 continues up. And then we could see some continuation. What we want to see is a breakout over this downward trending resistance that is the top trend line for this bull flag that we've been looking at here on the 90. Now remember, if that bull flag plays out, we're back up at around 105, but we are still in this bear flag here on the 6 hour chart, and the bear flag even now looks even more bearish because it's showing a descending triangle. That's a triangle here with a flat bottom where the lows here have kind of been flat. We're not counting this wick, but yeah, the lows have kind of been flat. The highs have been coming down. That is a bearish signal. That's a signal that the bears are gonna drop it down. How far? Well, you take the base of the triangle from the top here to the bottom there, and then we move that over. So if the triangle plays out, we're looking at a play down to about 85.6, and if the bear flag plays out, then we're looking at a 82. That either scenario is not what we want to see, but if it happens, well then we're prepared for it. We've seen it coming. We've been taking profits, at least I have, and yeah, I'm going to continue to take profits. Hopefully it doesn't drop that low. Hopefully we see another run up so I can take some more profits. Hopefully this bull flag on the daily plays out and we see another massive run up in this bull run. I mean, it's possible. All the whales and the institutions are buying, If they're buying, they're the smart money, supposedly. If they're buying, then it should be going up, right? And this bottom trend line on this bull flag's been holding strong. Just saw another bounce off of it. So yeah, let's see if basically we just need to break over these two trend lines to have ourselves some bullish sentiment. These downward trending lines there are basically correlated to each other. But yeah, let's see if we can break up over there. If not, hey, we're just tightening up, and the more we knock on 94, one time they're going to open the door and we're going to fall right through. So let's see the bully bulls take control. Otherwise, hey, I'm still kind of bearish on the short term here. And if the bears do take control and we do see that dip down, then we'll have to start adjusting this bull flag that's on the daily. So yeah, let's see a bounce here on the 1 minute. Let's see a bounce here on the 1 minute. Get back up over that 200. Let's see the bounce here on the 5 off of that 200. We want to see it put in a new higher high. So we want to see 96.7-ish coming in. Anything higher than that would be great. And then really we need to get up over 97.8, 96.8. Getting up over 97 would be better. Getting up over this 200 on the 90 would be real great. Where is that? That's at 96.676. So let's get up to 96.7 and then move from there, one step at a time. That's how these things move, one step at a time. Now, if they can get the Stokes stuck here on the 90 minute, that would be a great sign for the Stokes getting stuck here on the 6 hour, and for them to be moving up here on the daily, pushing the RSI up higher, giving more strength, and hopefully we'll see some moves up, breaking over those major resistances of 99.6 and 104. 99.6 being real heavy right now. If we can get up over 99.6 and flip it to resistance, well then we're going to alter this, even if we just put in a new higher high. But if we pull up to that 99.6 or we pull up over it, then we're going to have to adjust this bear flag. And then this won't look quite as bearish. So come on, bully bulls, push up. That's what we need to see. All right. So yeah, that's what we're watching. We're watching these levels to hold. It's back in the pattern. Hopefully the bull flag here takes off. Hopefully the bear flag doesn't take off. That's where we're at, 50-50 on those odds. All right, thank you so much for watching. Music was courteously provided by Veloa, Luminist, and Sax Squatch. Thanks guys, for allowing me to use your music. Again, thank you for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, follow, whatever. Much love. See you later.